Pang motor. Special para sa motor.
This is a new bridge connecting from either from Taipa to Macau, or if you come from Macau to Taipa. It's a new bridge, a new one. See how beautiful it is. Yeah, here they are.
Kasi ito, diretso na ng Shuhai Bridge eh. Ay, Shuhai ano eh. Shuhai Hong Kong.
There's lane for bicycle at the center of it. So it's very safe for bicycle driver or motor driver to pass over here. Yes.
Ito yung paguntang kuhan.
What is one? Okay. Wow, ganda.
Sasakyan na pumasok.
This is a new bridge. Wow, connecting Macau. So many roads now.
Parang Jesse, yan yung pinakamahirap na area namin ngayon.
Ayan na yung ano.
Pero hindi ako nakasama niyan.
Malapit sa atin. Nakapag-spoil mo yun, di ba?
Di ba yung ginagawa namin dito na PA? Maglalakad ka ng 20 minutes. Ngayon maglalakad ka ng
Area Porta do Circle. It's a modern Macau over here. Alright, if you visit Macau, you have to pass this bridge. Well,
may pabahay sa amin. Maliit. Hindi, sa Isabela. Sa Cordon.
yeah.
Dun sa gilid ng bundok nila nilagay.
Okay, see you.
Pabahay.
Pontikong Shuhai, going to Shuhai. If you want to go to Hong Kong, then this is also the road going there. Thank you for watching. God bless.